Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In some documents, we have various styles for text. In this video, I wanna show you how to adjust the specific style to all your documents. Consider that you have a text that only a part of it has the style you want, and you want to apply this style for all of your text. In order to this, you should select the text with the style you want. It doesn't matter to select all text or a part of it. Then, at the top bar, find the Format Painter with Painting Brush icon. Click on it to enable. Now you can select any text you want to adjust the style you want. This style includes font, font size, color, text decoration, and so on. With this tip, you can style your text easily. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more tips and share this video with your friends.